Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to get unbanned on TikTok. First of all, you can open the TikTok application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on it, and if your account is temporary banned, the account is unbanned automatically, and if your account is permanent banned, you can just simply go to the three lines at the top right corner of the screen, tap on it, and now you can tap on settings and privacy at very last, and here you can just simply scroll down and down, and here you will see the option report a problem, tap on it, and after a few seconds of loading, and now you can just simply scroll down here. Now you can tap on submit a report, and now you can just simply write the issue and you can adapt your screenshot, or now you can tap on submit, and this is the way you can submit a request to unban your TikTok account. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.